Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video I am very excited about. So Variety Fun is a snack subscription box. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to do a review on one of their Variety Fun boxes. So, and of course I said yes. I have heard about Variety Fun before, and so I was excited to receive this and you know, do a review with you guys because like I think it's really fun. I love subscription boxes, and so yeah, I want to go ahead and open this up with you guys, but I want to let me show you the box here too. So it came in like a bigger box, so it was like in a, you know, just like the normal like shipping box, but this was inside of it and had like, it was it had some like bubble wrap in there and everything like that. So yeah, here's the box. I'm so excited. So let me tell you about pricing, and then we will open this up and look inside together. Okay, so the pricing is $29.99 a month. It's free shipping. You get 40 snacks, okay? But the first month is $19.99 with the free shipping. Then they have, so that's called the Variety Fun box. Then they have the Variety Fit box, and that's $39.99 a month. And that is, you get 30 snacks. So it's more like healthier snacks. So yeah, it's you know, it's so you get 30 of those, and then with the Variety Fun, it's you know, just they rotate the snacks and you get 40 snacks. And I also want to mention they have, I think, up to over 500 companies that they work with, snacking companies. So they're gonna it mentions this on their website that you'll have a variety each month because they work with so many different companies. So yeah, as far as like receiving different samples, it's never always going to be the same exact box. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's really exciting. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. And I will put my, not my link, but the link to this subscription, Variety Fun subscription. I'll put their link, their website and everything in my description box below. So if you want to click on that and head over there, you can. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm so excited. It's such a cute little box too, you guys. And this is heavy, like seriously heavy. And so I'm like really excited to open this up and see what they sent me. So I have my scissors here so I can like get this open here. So let me go ahead and open it up here. Okay, turn it this way, and okay, let's see. So let me turn it back this way. All right, so, and I want to show you the back. It says varietyfun.com, and then the bottom looks like that, and then the side, and then the side. So there it is. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, that's cute. Like pop of color. So it says, taste, enjoy, explore. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So that's fun, right? Super cute. I love cute packaging. And then what does this say? Hashtag snacks. That's so cute. Hashtag snacks. I love that. Okay, so what is this? Let's see. It says so good. So it says Variety Fun. So good they'll be gone in a snap. I think that's what it means. Like a snap or a pinch. I don't know what that means. But that's cute. So, and then it has a little on the back. It has, tell us what you thought and when. There's like a survey you could do. Yeah, to win a gift card. So to Amazon. So yeah. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and look into this. Okay. Woo. All right. Let me show you what it looks like before I unbox it. So this is what it looks like. Look at how many snacks there are in there, you guys. So 40 snacks. So I'm really excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into this. All right. So first thing I'm going to pull out is Famous Amos. I love these cookies, you guys. These bite-sized chocolate chip cookies. It's just the right amount. You know what I mean? When you're snacking. I love it. Like, I think it's so yummy. These are one of my favorite cookies. We have Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. These are good, you guys, for like your purse or like your car, like if you need like a little snack. We also have 4 kids, for those who are new to my channel, and we have 6 people total in our household. So it's nice to have like a variety of snacks. You know, like this type of thing is good because we all like different things, you know what I mean? So it's nice that there's like a variety of foods in here, different snacks. So there's 2 packages of that. Then let's see, there is, oh, Oreos minis. Oh, I love these. Love Oreos. So there's an Oreo bag of minis, or Oreo minis. It's 1.5 ounces of these. Let's see what else. Where do I go here? Oh, I've been wanting to try these Andy Capp's cheddar fries, you guys. So, I mean, I've never tried them, but they look so good, right? Yeah, they look so delicious. And when do these expire? These expire for this particular bag, March 21st, 2021. So this will be like, this will last a while, like a little shelf life for that. Let's see. Ooh, okay, we've got more Oreos. A 6 count of these. These are great. I love the big Oreos in the bags like these too. So 6 count, just the right amount for me. I love this. So, then we got Ritz Bits cheese. So cheese, little Ritz Bits cheese crackers. Sorry. Those look really good. It's been forever since I've had these, you guys. So I'm excited to have them again. Like I said, it's been forever. I also got a chewy dark chocolate chunk Quaker granola bar. Yeah. Those are so good. Those are so good. I buy these all the time, but not the dark chocolate chunk. Again, it's been a while since I bought the dark chocolate chunk. So I'm excited to try that again. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have Pop-Tarts. Then we got the Pop-Tarts here. These are strawberry flavor. So good. And we have, let's see, organic cheddar bunnies, baked snack crackers. Yum. Again, it has been forever and a day since I've had these. I have just forgotten about them. Like, you know what I mean? I usually buy the goldfish. And so it's nice that there is, you know, like I can try these again, you know, like I really don't even remember what these taste like. It's been so long. So there's 2 bags in there. I got those. Then there is, look at how cute this package is. It's like tie-dyed organic Friends Bunny Grahams chocolate chip and chocolate and honey. Yum. So good. Let's see. I did get, oh, I love these, you guys. Brownie from Fiber One. These are so good. These brownie bites, like type thing. They're just really, really good. I've bought these before, so I really like those. So then, let's see what else we have. A Cocoa Krispies chocolate, like a little Rice Krispie. Got those. And, oh, popcorn. So, I don't know what brand this is, gourmet microwave popcorn, but I'm sure the brand's probably inside. But so you're getting like a sweet and like salty thing going on here, you know what I mean? Which is good. It's like the best of both worlds, right? Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, we have dark chocolate chunk again. So I got 2 of those. So like I got matchy dark chocolate chunk, and so I got 2 of those, which is great. Let's see. We've got frosted brown cinnamon sugar. So that'll be good. Yeah, I've had these. It's been a while since I've had these as well. So yeah, that'll be nice to have those. Because it's been like I said, these things like I've had, but I just like, you know, it's like there's so many things to choose from at the store. So it's nice again that these are all like, I'm trying these again for like kind of like the first time. Do you know what I mean? And let's see. So one more thing. Where was this? Oh yeah. Okay, here's what it was. Okay, cheese snap. So that's what this is. Okay, so you see that? That is what this is. Okay, and I have never ever tried the snapped before. I don't even know. It's cheesy, thin, and crispy double cheese. So that looks good. And the expiration date on this one is, I don't know. But it's probably on there somewhere maybe, I'm hoping. It has to be. I just am not seeing it. So anyway, that. And then, by the way, I noticed on the side of this box, it says February 2021. So I don't know what that means. Like maybe that means this box. I don't know what that means, but I just noticed that too. We have cheese snapped. This is the cheddar sour cream and onion. So this must be like, I think this is a new thing because like I've never tried this before, you know what I mean? So, and then, oh, I got another brownie Fiber One. So 2 of those. So I'm getting like duplicates of certain things, which I don't mind because it's nice to have like, you know, like we can all try like them. And then let's see, there's still so much to choose from. Okay, another cheese that snapped. This is the double cheese again. So, and it looks like I got one more. So a total of 4 of them. So let's see, 2 cheddar sour cream and onions, and then 2 double cheese. So yeah, that looks really good. I'll try that. I would try it right now, but I don't have like a glass of water with me, so otherwise I would totally try it. You know what I mean? And then I got Lay's barbecue. These are classic. Love these. Can't go wrong with those. Let's see. There is Ritz Bits cheese. Another one of these. So good. Oh, look at this, you guys. This one is the hot fries. I have seen these before, and again, I've never tried the hot fries. Don't know what they taste like. I'm so excited to try them out. Like, really, they sound so good. Like, I'm like salivating, like looking at all this stuff. You guys, it looks so delicious. Like, you know, it just, this is cool. This is fun. I'm having fun. So, let's see what else. So then I got another Famous Amos chocolate chip. So I got another one of those. And then let's see what else. Oh, I have an Airhead in there. Let's see. Blue raspberry flavor. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. I love Airheads, you guys. So good. So I got that. And a Nature Valley crunchy oats and honey. I got that. And then the Nature Valley sweet and salty peanut. So good. So good. Again, it's been a long time since I've had this, so I'm excited to try it again, you know? So, yeah. And then, let's see, Chex Mix Party, what is this? Party Blend, excuse me. Love Chex Mix, like all the flavors of Chex Mix. So good. So, yeah. Let's move this box here a little bit over here. Okay, let's see what else we have left. So, we have Welch's Fruit Snacks. So I used to call these fruit funs. Like, I still do. I still call them fruit funs, and my friends, like, they think it's so funny because I always am like, fruit funs, and they're like, no, it's fruit snacks. And so, but I will still call them fruit funs. I grew up, we always call them fruit funs. So I love this. And it looks like there's a duplicate of that. These are delicious. Delicious. Okay. And then another Nature Valley crunchy oats and honey. Toast. Like, oops, excuse me, I almost dropped it. Real peanut butter. Those crackers are really good, you guys. Again, these are great little snacks. A Nature's Valley sweet, another one of these. It's like a duplicate of that. The sweet and salty peanut. And cream cheese and chives. Yummy. So good. All this is so good. All right, guys, we have 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items left. We have the toasty peanut butter, real peanut butter crackers. So good. I love peanut butter, you guys. So this box is like speaking to me because I love peanut butter. Okay, Airheads, more Airheads. This is called the White Mystery. I've never had this before. So again, I like that it's like sweet and salty mix. You know, you get like both things. Then you get a fruit roll up in there. And then I think the last thing is the organic gummy bears by Black Forest. You know, I've been wanting to try these. I think they're going to be so good. You get all these different flavors. You get cherry, lemon, orange, pineapple, apple, and strawberry. So there's 6 fruity flavors is what they're saying in there. So on the back of there. So yeah, so you guys, that is it. That is the whole box. Yeah, this is exciting. I am like really, I think this is really fun. And like I said, I like the variety. So again, the first box is $19.99, and then every box, you know, after the first initial box, then it goes to $29.99 a month, and it's free shipping. And yeah, so that is pretty cool. So yeah, and like I said, I will put their information in my description box below me if you want to check them out and head on over there and see what they have to offer. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope it helped you see, you know, what's out there for this subscription box. It's really, like I said, I like subscription boxes because it's like you get to try things that, you know, like I said, some of these things they're really good, and it's like I've forgotten about them, like I said, because when you go to the grocery store, like I mentioned a minute ago, there's so many things to choose from, right? And you can kind of, like for me, I just kind of like walk right by and I don't see it, you know what I mean? And so it's really cool to try it again and like realize like again, and I've never ever tried, there's a couple of things in here I've never ever tried. So I'm excited about that too. And every month it's never the same snacks every single month, which is nice. So you get like a variety every month of different snacks, which is really fun. So yeah, you guys, so like I said, I appreciate this Variety Fun for you reaching out to me and having me do this review for you. It was super fun to do, and I love it. So, all right, guys. So if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you guys so much for being here once again and for all your love and support. I appreciate you guys so much. Please know that. And thank you for spending time with me and watching this video. And I just really do appreciate you guys so much. So with that being said, I'm going to close this video for now, but I will see you back here tomorrow with my next haul, okay? So with that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. God bless. See you soon. Bye.